Today I'm going to do a flip and drag in a very small cup. It's going to be with black negative space, and it can only be blues and pinks, and that is because we have a challenge in our Dutch pouring group. The group is on Facebook and it's called Acrylic Pouring Nederland. So Nederland says it's Netherlands. It's not a contest, it's just to see all the different beautiful creations people make. And that's just astonishing to see, and it's to learn from each other also. So I hope you will enjoy this video. I will put the camera closer so you can see my workflow. Okay, so what I'm going to do first is fill the cup, the small cup. I'm going to start with the blues. I will just fill it with a little bit of paint. All the colors are in the photo and in the comments under my video. This is just the purple. This is the mica powder. I really love that. That's so beautiful. It's so shiny, it looks like car paint. Now a drop of Dimetico, just one drop. Darker blue. Okay, now I will start with all the pinks I have. Oops. This is the magenta. This is just pink. I will separate it with a little bit of the mica powder, purple, so we can have a bit of contrast between them. You notice that my paints all have different thickness. I do that so the paint can react to each other, because if all the paints are equal thick, they won't sink or just or float, and that's why I want my difference to be differently thickness. A little bit of purple. My favorite blue. Oh. A bit of turquoise. magenta again. One drop of Dimetica. And some pearl pink. For this you really need just a little bit of paint. So that's why I made these tiny bits. Okay, well, I'll put this aside. Oh my god, it's leaking, you see? Well, I have to put this aside, so I will pour my black quickly. It's a little bit thinner than I normally do, but that's just so the color paint can float a little bit more easy. That's also the reason why I painted my canvas first with gesso and then just normal acrylic black, because I don't want any white to come through. Okay, well, here are the colors, and I will just pour a little bit black here so I can push it aside. Here I'm going. You see how you think you got just a little bit paint, but it's already a lot for this size of canvas. It's too bad there was a hole in it. I didn't see it. Okay. Just clean my hands a little. And now I will try to tilt it a little bit. You see, because my black is a little bit thin, it is floating more easy. Now I will use my straw to make it look a little bit more interesting. Okay, let me get my straw, guys. I forgot to get it. Don't you just love the contrast? Okay. Now I will use my heat gun to make it a little bit warm. I'm holding it up very high because I don't want to mess up my painting, of course. I do have a little bit left. I will just sit it there. So you can see even with one drop you can create a beautiful thing by just blowing on it. I'll just use my heat gun once again. And yet again we have a beautiful abstract. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed it. If you like, please come join our group on Facebook. Again, it's called Acrylic Pouring Nederland, so that's Netherlands. It's a Dutch group, but of course every country, every people from all around the world are welcome. If you want to follow me, you can also like my page on Facebook. It's called Saskia Smit Acrylic Art. If you liked it, please give me your thumbs up and subscribe to my channel on YouTube. Okay, bye bye. Thank you for watching. I'm sorry for the lights are reflecting in the painting. I hope you get the idea. Okay, bye bye.